Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Canva to an existing domain. First, go to your Canva website. In the upper right corner, click on Publish Website. On the lower part, select Get a New Domain. Now, choose Bring Your Own Domain and click Continue. Here, paste in the domain you want to connect to Canva. Once you've entered your domain, Canva will show you the steps you need to follow to complete the connection. The first step is to add a Type A DNS record. So head over to your domain provider. In my case, it's GoDaddy. Go to your domain management area and add a new DNS record. Copy and paste the values provided by Canva, then click Save. Once you've done that, go back to Canva and click Record Added. Next, you'll be asked to add another A record. Repeat the same steps, enter the values Canva gave you, save the record, then return to Canva and click Record Added. Now, for the final step, adding a TXT record. Create a new DNS record, choose TXT as the type, paste in the values from Canva, and save it. Go back one last time and click Record Added. Once all the records have been added, click on I've uploaded my DNS records. Then, click Use this domain to sync everything. If you go back to the Publish Website section, under Website URL, you'll now see the custom domain you connected, and you can choose it as your live website address. And that's it. Your Canva site is now connected to your custom domain. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon